Shidim Shari, Green Paradise. Good morning, Monday, August 26, 2024. Not a big week on econ data. Of course, you have jobless claim Thursday, as every Thursday, but nothing really huge. The big stuff is gonna come next week after Labor Day. Let's take a look at some discretionary stocks. Earning this week is fairly big, but earnings season is winding down. Of course, the big one is Nvidia Wednesday and CRM. That's the two big one. And then of course Thursday you have Marvell. Other than that, they have a lot of discretionary stocks from LULU to ULTA, Dollar General, Dollar Tree. You throw in there also CrowdStrike, Okta. Yeah, it's but this is it. This is you're talking near the end of earnings season here, so it's getting to the end. All right, let's take a look at LULU. It filled the gap. Been pretty ugly slide. Fill the gap, and I will pay close attention to all the retailers / discretionary stocks because it will give us a clue on where the consumers are. I expect them to be weak, but we'll see. We'll see. Like I said, I would not touch LULU here. Okay, it filled the gap and it's pausing here, but it's been pretty ugly. Okay, it's been extremely ugly. And if there is a stock that you should be very wary going into October for tax loss season, is LULU. Okay, there will be a time to buy, but I would not think that this is a good time right now. It's been super ugly. You go back 3 years, it's 3-year low. You gotta go back. Yeah, you gotta go back. As bad as it was or is, it's not anywhere near pandemic low. Okay, so I'm not expecting it to test pandemic low, but if things falls apart on sales and the economy is in the turmoil in the next 3 to 6 months, it would not be shocking to see LULU down here. Okay, it would not be, but for now it's gonna watch and we'll see where things will shake out in the next few days. No touch for me. No touch. If you have it, trim. If it bounce back into that gap fill where it's stalled. All right. ULTA. The Warren Buffett effect is in. It's dancing on the 50. Earnings coming out on Thursday. Once again, I don't expect them to have great earnings. I don't. Warren Buffett, just because he said he's in, does not mean that it is going to go, gangbuster. It bounced back to where it was. Look, there's too many lines here. Okay, so let's just clean up this chart a little bit. Let's just clean it up right here. But I'm leaving this. I'm making this the primary important line, the white line. Let's go back 3 years to see where that white line is. If it is true of key spot. Yeah, I would say so. Okay, I'm glad I decided to keep that one because I thought that was a key spot compared to the rest. So yeah, the market didn't think that the economy, the consumers are back, ignore common sense. It take that and move it back above the white line, and I wouldn't be surprised if it dance around there. But but if there is a dip on earning, depending on where the dip is, I might buy. If the if earning is mute, tame, meh, guidance is meh, you might see a dip into 350, and that might be a buy. Okay, is it impossible for it to come down to the gap fill? Nothing is impossible. I don't expect earning to be good. I don't expect Warren Buffett to be buy and done. He might buy more. Okay. He has a lot of money. He has over 200 billion in cash. Okay, last one. ELF perhaps behave most logically if you look at ELF, compare it to Estee Lauder and other uh, related stocks from Coty to Estee Lauder. ELF bounced the most last week, um, and that makes sense. And if ULTA is to have a decent earning and decent guidance, it is because of the cheaper brand like Elf. So they would keep on doing well. So if you're lucky enough to buy this crash, good on you. I have no plan to sell any. I sold a cover call. Last week, I sold a 177.5 cover call, and that expired. I closed it out early Friday, last Friday, and sold a 180. Why 180? This white line right here. Okay. Now, if for whatever reason, if we get calls away, then I will flip around and sell a 175 naked puts. Right. But for now, it's in the money. The position is making money, so I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm not gonna cry if it get called away at 180. Okay, especially when I bought them down here. That's a nice 20% gain. So watch out for Elf. Now, if Elf pull back on sympathy with ULTA, I wouldn't mind selling put spread at 160 and below. Okay, that's the play. 160 and below, 155 even better. Okay, 155 is even better, safer. But I don't mind. I have the cash to buy some more shares. So would I nibble some more share in the 160s? Yeah, low 160s. I would do it. The highest I would pay is 165-ish. That's where the 20 MA is. That's the highest I would pay as far as buying anything on a pullback. Okay, that's it. Let's get started this week.